birthday, Muddy. And now that I've lost weight, I can finally wear them again. Like, the crumbs last time were for a celebration of her announcement.
I left the barbecue to eat later.
Apparently we're both on keto, but I don't know what kind of keto mom's on. Happy birthday to you. Good morning, guys. It is Ossie's birthday today. Ah! Sadly, my guy had to go to work. I know, right? I was trying to convince him to just stay home, but he was like, no, we're super busy at work. And I was like, it's your birthday, Muddy. And so he's at work. Oh, look at my celery plants. Super cute. And like, the roots on this one is growing so much. I think I got to plant that soon. So this weekend is just such a busy weekend for us. I have been putting off cleaning the house for so many weeks now. We've been going to Sydney a lot the past weekends, and so I'm not going anywhere this weekend. It's Ossie's birthday weekend, but sorry, Ossie, next time, because you're working as well. And I'm gonna deep clean my house, clean my car, grocery shop, going off to the farmer's market now, pick up my sister. She's probably waiting. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. And yeah, we're getting it done. Got to change our bedroom bed sheets. Just so much to do today. And I'm just like getting tired already. I really feel like calling the cleaners like I usually do and telling them to come do it. But I'm like, no, do it yourself, girl. It's just convenient and it's easier when they come and I don't have to do anything. I can just focus on other things. But I'm trying not to do that at the moment. So I got Ossie some shoes. I'll show you guys when I give it to him. And I got him 3 pairs of shoes, which were a little bit expensive. And I'm going to go and pick him up a cake and maybe getting something else. I'm not sure, but we're going to go out for dinner tonight. And yeah, so I stopped wearing my ring for a long time, guys. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I used to wear my bands. And now that I've lost weight, I can finally wear them again. Like, they would fit, and then it got to a point where they didn't fit, but then they would fit, and it was just super tight. Like, I felt like my finger was getting really, really swollen. But everyone better know that I'm a married woman. Yeah, guys, that's the hat. So you proud of me? Comment down below and let me know that you're proud of me. Okay, so I gotta go pick up Molly girl. Mrs. Molly girl. Oh my gosh, I should have got something to put this on.
What is it?
Yummy, 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 yummy. Yummy, 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 yummy. Morning, Molly girl.
Hurry up, let's go.
Okay.
Good morning.
Who owns that car?
That's the...
So we were in and out within like 20 minutes or something like that. Got my little grand troll here. So Molly's just eating her mouth away again. Hopefully she doesn't drop any crumbs this time. The crumbs last time were for a celebration of her announcement.
I left the barbecue to eat later.
Are you sure this is safe with these eggs?
It's 30.
Okay. Yeah, I need to wash my car.
Which is funny because you parked it in the garage.
Yeah, but I haven't washed it in like 3 months.
Oh, damn.
Are you meant to?
Yeah.
Anyways, guys, so Molly's going to Sydney.
I'm gonna finish polish. Hi, guys.
Dude, I have to do so many things today.
Turn your car on. Let's get moving.
Apparently we're both on keto, but I don't know what kind of keto Molly's on.
Oh, we are on keto. I'm just having a little bit of an off
day. You have those like every second day.
Whatever. Don't be tracking me, girl. Track your own record.
How about we turn on some music? How about we turn on a little bit of music? Janebu.
Yeah, this actually tastes really good. Like, it actually tastes like fresh. Like,
Yeah.
not like...
Look at these old people.
Hi guys, so I came back this video to tell you
Is that zoomed out?
that I dusted the crumbs off. I was actually leaving them for Vicky to eat.
You fat ass.
You didn't see the after video that she was eating them. Anyway, thank you to all you lovely people that commented and took the time out of your day to send me a message of, what was it? Of congratulations. Vicky.
I know, it went up my nose.
And then you closed the window.
Well, yeah, more would coming in.
Oh, this girl.
Molly was acting like a baby. Like, Molly, you big baby.
I feel like you can see too much of my body. My sexy body.
Molly, that is the stupidest angle. The old man winked at you, Molly.
I'm sorry.
The old man winked at you.
Oh, please. Well, everyone be winking at me, you know. Even people on this camera be winking at me. Sorry, guys.
We went shopping for glasses, and I said to Molly, these glasses are so ugly. And she went and got them anyways.
Vicky, these glasses, no, these were the ones that you said. These ones, they didn't have them on in Canberra. I got these from Sunglass Hut, okay? I wanted to say thank you to everybody, every single one of you, that's jumped on and commented to say congratulations. And some of you and my family even messaged me. I'm so appreciative of you taking the time to do that.
I really don't want to clean my house. I've been procrastinating all morning, dropped Molly off, and now I have to clean the dang house. Like, I'm so close to like calling someone up. Aussie's at work, so I've got to make use of this time. Gonna do my washing, scrub my bathroom, bedroom, vacuum the house, go wash my car, and then go and buy Aussie a cake. Guys, I just finished cleaning my house from tip to toe, scrubbing my bathroom. I mean, there's still a few more other things I could have done, but I'm just stuffed right now. Scrub the heck out of the bathroom. Oh, cleans it up. And then I've got a tub of my whites, and look at all that grime coming out. Gross. Vacuumed and put away the washing in that room, and then done like 3 loads of washing, 4 loads maybe. Didn't really spend much time in the kitchen because so tired. There's our portrait. And then cleaned the heck out of this room, changed all the bed sheets and stuff. Then I've got Aussie's stuffs on there. I'm going to the mall to maybe look for another present for him. Maybe a watch or get some socks to wear with his shoes. I'm not sure. I'll just have a scout around. And if I can't find anything, well, sorry Aussie, well, I've got out. That's enough, okay? So I was meant to be at the mall about an hour ago. Had to wait for this lady over here. And then I got stitched up with these 3.
Hello, SB Squad. I got tea.
Guys, so I just dropped my mum off and the kids just went inside. We wanted to go and wash my car, but the car wash things were out of order, and Aussie is about to get home from work soon. It's 4 o'clock. He went to cut his hair, so I got to rush home, and I want to be there for when he sees his gifts. And I also got him a sneaky gift, guys. I got him a sneaky gift. I'm probably going to give this to him when we go to dinner. I haven't fully decided where I want to go. I really wanted to go to like a fancy restaurant, but the only problem with going to those restaurants are you just don't get full, if you know what I mean. And I'm not about to pay a fortune to try and get full when I could just go somewhere else and get full and not have to spend a fortune. Oh my gosh, guys. So you guys, if you guys have been watching me since, I bought him a chain back in 2019 for Christmas. And do you know what? He actually broke it. When he was getting his better done, he was lying down and the chain was like dangling down on his chin. And then when he went to get up, the kufunga told him to get up. So he went like that and like literally couldn't even put his chin back down to put the necklace down. No, he didn't want to do that. He literally like resisted and the chain broke. So then he chucked it at, to me when we were sitting there, and I have no idea where I put it, and it's just lost. I thought I put it in my bag. It wasn't in my bag. Anyways, so he's always like been complaining to me like, oh, chain cheap. And I was like, it literally wasn't. So I bought him another one. This one was way more expensive than the initial one that I got. Look, it's not about the price, Aussie. Just be happy that your wife organized something for you, and I'm sure he's gonna like it. But I got him some pairs of socks to wear with his shoes, and then I also got him a cake which says hold on, I should be showing you guys at home. So it's like, it says happy birthday, Aussie boy. I'm just sitting here listening to my audiobook, guys. I just tracked Aussie on our app that we have, and he's almost home, guys, and I'm still here trying to get my car washed. I just don't want him to see the stuff on the bed without me being there. So hopefully this isn't too much longer. That red car just... Okay, boy made it. He's just over there cleaning his car. I just finished vacuuming my car. It looks sparkling clean. At the back there, sparkling clean. So I got his cake there. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Okay.
Happy birthday to me.
Make a wish. What kind of flowing is that, mate?
Yeah. Very delicious.
Aussie's just trying on his shoes. Bring it up on the bed, just on this one. It's clean. Wow, looks sicky. I think the lighting makes it look orange. There we go. Nice. I love Asics. Asics is a good brand. And the New Balance, they look cool too. Guys, so we're about ready to go now. Aussie's ready. We're gonna go out for dinner. There's me guy there. Not those ones.
Thank you, honey. Thank you for wishing me a happy birthday. Hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day.
So we got some Memphis wings, keen. Aussie got the rib racks. I got a wrap. Yeah. I got one last present for you. Close your eyes. Don't open them, babe. Just close them. Just keep them closed. You can open them. Pull it out, babe. Come on.
Thank you, baby.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I really like it.
Ông ca cũng trên ngay lo trên nga may mua lang ai. Ese lo foi kiu lo trên nga may mua.
Thank you, baby. Appreciate everything you do. This is so beautiful. You make me feel so special.
I'm so happy to hear that, babe. We got our food now. I got sweet potato fries with a chicken wrap. Also got these big rib wrap with curly fries.
Because the challenge not up.
Mine's really good. This one's a bit dry, but I love the sweet potato fries. Aioli sauce is nice. How's your ribs?
Very nice, tender. Very nice and
I
tender.
don't like how Aussie cuts it off first. Guys, I am super full.
Yeah, I'm so full.
I was not able to finish my food because I had the wings.
I have the full rib rack, so I'm full right now. Explosion inside.
Explosion.
This is my last present. My beautiful boo-boo. For me.
Okay.
So this is James. You see it, guys? It's so heavy.
Must be nice.
Must be nice for me.
Happy birthday, babe.
Thank you, baby, for this one. I'm gonna put it on. Let's go.